Okay. Now, Tammy, could you tell me what do you watch around you now?
What, teacher?
What do you want around you now? What do you watch around you now? Like what? Chair, table, wall,
Chair. No, table. Yes.
chair, table. All of this called matter. Everything around us called matter. The table, the chair, the mobile phone, the laptop, the lamp, the wall. What?
The computer.
Like computer. All of this called matter. All of this called
Matter.
matter. So what meant by matter? It's everything around us. Everything around us that has mass and a volume. It's everything around us that has mass and a volume. Let's sing it. Everything around us that has mass.
Everything around us
That has mass
has mass
and a volume.
volume.
Everything around us that has
Everything around
mass
us
and a volume.
mass and a volume.
Super, Sammy. Okay, let's talk about the mass. We said that the matter is everything around us that has mass and a volume. What's the meaning of mass? Fadia? Hello Fadia.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, teacher.
Fine. Okay. Fadia, today we're gonna talk about the matter. Okay? And we said that everything around us that has mass and a volume called matter. So now, what's meant by mass? What's the difference between the door and the pencil? Which is bigger, the door or the pencil?
The door.
The door. The mass is the amount of matter in an object. It's amount of matter in an object. It's amount of wood in the door or in the pencil. It's the amount of glass in the cup or the bottle. It's the amount of gold in the ring. Okay? So the amount of matter in the object is called mass. Okay? Judy? Hi, Judy.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine.
Fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, let's continue. So, the amount of wood in the door, we said that the door is bigger than the pencil. So, the mass of the door is bigger than the pencil because the amount of wood in the door is bigger than what? The amount of wood in the
Good morning, teacher.
pencil. Nada, hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, so we said that the matter is everything around us that has mass and a volume. And the mass is amount of matter in an object. It's amount of matter in an object. It's amount of wood in the door or in the pencil. Okay? Now we're going to talk about the volume. Let's talk about the volume. The volume is the space occupied by a matter. Is the space occupied by a matter. Like what? Like me. Me, I take the space from the air. Like the chair. The chair takes the space, takes its own space. Like the cornflakes and the apple. The apple take what? Take the space. The mobile take the space from the air. Okay? Now, the cornflakes or the apple, has a larger volume than the other? The cornflake float is larger than the apple or the opposite?
Far.
What?
Far.
For?
Yes.
For what?
لحظة كده.
I don't meant the which is near or which is far. I compared the size, the volume, the size. So the size of the apple is smaller than the cornflakes or the opposite. The cornflakes is smaller than the apple. Judy, could you tell me?
Yes.
The cornflakes is larger than the apple or the opposite?
Larger than.
Okay. So the cornflakes has a larger volume than the apple. Okay? So again, we said that the matter is everything around us that has mass and a volume. The mass is the amount of matter in an object, and the volume is the space occupied, the size that it takes by a mass. Okay?
Okay.
Nada,
Yes, teacher.
could you tell me what do you watch around you?
Teacher, I can't hear you, teacher.
كتلة ولا حد هقولها لك بالانجليزي.
You hear me?
Yes.
Okay. What do you watch around you in your room? None the laptop. Around you. The chair. Not the laptop. I want around you in the room. The wall, the bottle, the chair, anything around you. What? Could you tell me, Judy?
Okay. ممكن table?
Okay, the table. What the amount? Table or we compared the table with the pencil. Okay.
Okay.
The amount of what's the table made of?
Wood.
Wood. Okay. The table has a bigger mass, or is bigger than the pencil, or is smaller than the pencil?
It's bigger than the pencil.
It's bigger than the pencil. Why? Because it has amount of wood larger than the amount of wood in the pencil. Okay.
Okay.
Which takes has a larger volume, the pencil or the table? The table, the space that it takes, or the pencil?
Table.
The table. Excellent. Super. Okay, now we will talk about the state of matter. Okay, we said that everything around us called matter. So the cup of tea like the table?
No.
The table like the balloon?
No.
No. So we have states of matter. Okay, we have 3 states of matter. Okay.
Okay.
Tammy, you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. We have the first one, a solid state.
Solid.
Nada, be with me, please.
Solid, liquid, gas.
Excellent.
Solid,
Excellent.
liquid, gas.
Super excellent. So the state of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Solid like what? Like the chair, like the table, like the door.
Like
Liquid,
pen.
the pen. Excellent. Nada, tell me, the liquid state like what?
Yes, teacher.
The liquid state like what?
Yes.
The juice,
Well, what?
like the orange juice.
Um,
And what? Like what also? Matter, it's a liquid. It's a liquid matter.
no.
What else? Orange juice or what?
Orange juice.
What else?
Teacher, can you repeat it again?
I want a liquid matter. Okay?
Yeah.
Liquid matter like the orange juice. Okay? Give me another example. Judy, give me another example.
Water.
Water, excellent.
Apple juice.
Apple juice, super. The milk, liquid or solid?
Liquid.
Liquid, excellent. Okay, the last one, gaseous state. Gaseous state. Like what? Like the air in the balloon. Like the air in the balloon. Okay, not the balloon. The balloon itself is a solid, but the air in the balloon or the air around us, it has a gaseous state. Okay.
Okay.
What can we differentiate between them? The first one, the solid state, it has a definite shape and a definite volume. So I can't change it. I can't change its shape or I can't change its volume. Okay? So the solid, it has a definite shape and a definite volume. Okay? Like what?
Okay.
Like the ring made of gold. Can I convert or change the ring to the ring to the necklace?
No.
No, I can't change it easily. Okay? The table is made of wood. Can I change the table to the door?
No.
No. The cup, the cup made of glass. So can I change the cup to jar or to bottle?
No.
No. So in the solid state, I can't change it easily. I can't change the shape or the volume. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. The liquid, it has a definite volume. Okay? And an indefinite shape. How? It takes the shape of its container.
Teacher, I can't see the screen.
What?
I can't see the screen.
How? All of you see it?
Yes.
What's wrong, Nada? Okay. Dain. Hello. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Do you hear me clear? Do you hear me clear? Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Be with me. So the liquid state, it has a definite volume and an indefinite shape. Indefinite shape, yeah. So I can change the shape of the liquid matter. It takes the shape of its container. Like what? All of this, an amount of water has a same volume, but I put it in a different container. So the water takes the shape of the container. Okay? Like here, when I put the water or any liquid matter in the container, it takes the shape of its container. Okay? Not only the water, all the liquid matter, like the juice, like the oil. Here, the oil has a liquid matter. So the oil, the orange juice, all of this, you see it, has all these containers has different shapes. So the juice takes the shape of its container. Okay?
Okay.
So all the liquid matters has a definite volume. I can't change their volume. It's 1 liter, okay, it's 1 liter. But I can change its shape by changing the container. It takes the shape of the container. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Fadia, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Nada, you solve the problem? Nada?
Teacher, now I see the screen.
What?
Now I see the screen.
Now you're seeing the screen, okay? You're seeing the juice or the oil or the orange juice. You see the pictures?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna talk about the gaseous state. We say that the solid state has a definite shape and definite volume. And we say that in liquid state has definite volume but indefinite shape because it takes the container, the shape of container. In gaseous state, it has an indefinite shape and indefinite volume. It takes the shape and the volume of its container. Okay? So the gaseous state has an indefinite shape and indefinite volume. How? Okay? In this balloon, okay? This a balloon with air. When I stress that, the air the volume and the shape of balloon changes. Okay? This balloon with air, the air inside it. When I stress that, that the shape and the volume change. Okay? So the gaseous state, it has an indefinite shape and indefinite volume. It takes the shape and the volume of its container. Okay? Tammy, that's clear? Tammy, you're with me?
Yes, teacher.
You got it? It's clear? The gaseous state?
Yes.
Okay, Fadia,
Yes, teacher.
it's clear?
Yes.
Okay, so the gaseous state, it has indefinite shape. I cannot change the shape and I cannot change its volume. Okay?
Teacher.
What?
Uh, But I have a question.
Tell me. Sure.
I don't understand what is a definite shape and indefinite shape.
What? I can't raise your
I
voice.
don't understand the definite shape.
The definite shape, like the mobile. It has a definite shape. I cannot change the shape of mobile,
No,
so it has a definite shape. Okay?
indefinite shape.
Definite volume, I can't change the shape of the volume of this mat. I can't change the volume of mobile also. This volume of mobile has a definite volume. Okay? I can't change it, and I can't change the shape of it. So it has a definite shape and definite volume, like the table. Here, the table is made of wood. Can I change the table to the door? Can I convert it? Why?
No.
Because it has a definite shape and definite volume. I can't change it. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, in this, another example, in this glass cup. The glass cup, can I convert it in the bottle? Into bottle? Who's talking with me? Fadia?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me,
Yes,
can
teacher.
I convert the glass cup to the glass bottle?
No.
When I make it, I will broke it.
Yes.
Why? Because it has a definite shape and a definite volume.
Volume.
Okay? Okay, Dareen?
Okay.
Okay, it's clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we're gonna talk about the if any matter has the three states. We said that we have solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Is there any matter has the three states? Yes, like what? Like the water. Okay? Like the water. So how? When I freeze the water becomes ice. And the ice has a definite shape and a definite volume, like this too. So the ice represents the solid state. When the ice melts and becomes a water, it's in liquid state. When I boil the water boils and the water converts from water to water vapor. Water vapor to gaseous state. The water vapor is a gas. So the water has three states of matter. The solid in ice, when I freeze it, the liquid, it's the ordinary state of water, or almost a liquid. It's a liquid, and the gaseous state when I boil the and the gaseous state when I boil the water. The water converts to the water vapor, and that's what this a gaseous state. Okay,
Okay.
you clear it? It's clear for you, all of you?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want each one to tell me one thing around you and the state of it. Like I have a book. Okay, so the book, it's a matter and it has definite shape and definite volume. I can't change it. So the book is solid matter. The book is solid matter. Okay, Judy, tell me.
What?
Tell me one thing around you and describe it to me. It's a solid or liquid or gas?
Solid or liquid or gas?
Yes.
Okay, we have
Anything around you.
okay. Water.
Water?
Yeah.
Okay. The water is solid or liquid or gas?
We كائن يعني solid وبعدين نعملها liquid وبعدين gas.
Okay. Now, the water with you. Solid or liquid or gas? Ice or water or liquid? Okay.
Liquid.
Super, Judy. Say me. Sammy, where are
Yes,
you?
teacher.
Okay, Sammy, tell me one thing around you and describe it for me. It's from which state?
Disc.
This. Excellent.
Disc is solid.
Excellent. Super. Excellent, Sammy. Excellent. Fadia?
Bottle of water, liquid.
Excellent.
Oxygen, gas.
Excellent, Sammy. Excellent. Sammy tells us he has this. It has a liquid, a solid state, and a bottle of water. It has a liquid state, and around us we have oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, all of this gases around us. That's gas. Excellent thing. Excellent. Super. Fadia,
Yes, teacher.
tell me one thing around you.
What?
Tell me one thing around you.
Like the table.
Table. Excellent. The table has has solid or liquid or gas state.
Solid.
Solid. Excellent, Fadia. Super. Dareen,
And the water is liquid.
excellent. You have water now?
Yes.
Excellent. The water is liquid. Dareen,
Air is gas.
air is gas. Dareen, tell me one thing around.
أنا هطلع وارجع.
What? Who's talking? Nada?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me one thing around you.
What?
Tell me one thing around you. One thing you can see it now. Anything?
Solid.
No, I want one thing
Liquid.
around you. No. I mean that what around you now? Chair, door, wall, all of this around you now in your room.
Eyes.
Now you have eyes. Okay, the eyes.
What, teacher? What you mean?
I'm Nada, like your name.
Teacher, what you mean?
What I mean?
Yes.
I want one thing around me. Now I am the chair around me, and the mobile, the mouse, the laptop, all of these things around me. I can see it in my room.
I pillow.
Hello?
Sofa. Sofa.
Okay. The state of it is solid or liquid or gas.
Um. Solid.
Solid. Excellent.
Solid.
Excellent. So why? Because it has a definite shape and definite volume. I can change the sofa into 2 chairs, for example. So it has a definite shape and definite volume. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we have finished. Any questions? Anyone wants to tell me anything?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay. Nice to meet you
No,
all.
teacher.
I hope see you next time, inshallah. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Bye.